Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, we got another dunk review for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's open the box and see which one it is. Ooh, there we are. You already know which one it is. There we go. Here we are. There we go. Okay. As you can see, these are the new dunks that just come out. I believe they are called the college ones. Let me see the box. They are called the college navies, and these are a woman exclusive dunks. As you can see, they have the not very girly colorways, but they have some girly touches to them that I will show you. Let's start off from the let me get a good one shot for you guys. As you can see, let's start off from the bottom. As you can see, they come with this Milky Outsole, which is quite nice. Look, icy. It's not like the normal icy outsole, but it's like a milky transparent one, which is very nice. Then you have the white midsole, which is nice. And look at this leather quality. This leather is a high grade leather, plush. As you can see, if I squeeze it, you can see the leather quality, very nice. So you got the gray here and the university college navy. It's a college navy, sorry, that is what the shoe is called, college navy. As you can see, nice little, I don't know why it's creased here. Is the other pair creased? No, the other pair is prestige. So this is the quality control of Nike not being there. Comes pre-creased, but very nice leather quality, as you can see. Then you go around the back, you got the red stitching of Nike, very nice dunk. And then you have the laces, which is kind of girly but also looks very nice. It's the silver laces, as you can see, flat. It's got a nice little shine to them, as you can see, very nice. And then you have the inside with the red Nike Air, and so the lining is very nice as well, high grade satin lining of the inside, as you can see, which is very nice. There's the laces. It also comes with a pair of white laces, also in this shiny kind of look, as you can see. Don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it also has the little shiny effect on the laces, very nice. The normal tongue in the college navy colorway with the red swoosh, very nice. Yes, all in all, this is actually a very nice pair of dunks. This is how they look like from the front. Very nice colorway. It's a ladies exclusive, so woman's exclusive, so I had to get the woman size 11, I believe, yes, which is a UK 8.5, which is a nice one. These were actually quite limited, very hard to get here. I had to enter all the raffles and I managed to hit one raffle and get these, so that was a good one. Yeah, all in all, this is a very nice pair of shoes. If you can get these Nike college navy dunks, I would highly recommend it. The quality is amazing. It's SP as well, so it's a special edition. It's not like the GR pairs that they were releasing with the rubbish leather quality. This has actually got the good leather quality. I will quickly give you an on hand shoot, as I don't have the budget for on feet. So if you wore them on hand with some blue socks, this is how you look like very good. I hit a moonwalk, see this? Ooh, shaman. Yeah, so all in all, a very nice pair of dunks. If you can grab them, highly recommend grabbing them. Hope you enjoyed the review, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe. I'm gonna catch you on the next one, and as always, believe.